Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Alright. Alright. Let me start with gold. So gold had a massive run during Asian session last night. So the daily was bullish up into 2912, 2913, 2912. Nice pulling back. 4 hours created a nice resistance. So right now I'm looking for some structure on gold. What's up? What's up? Afternoon, everybody. Caswell, that link is coming. My Zoom is updating for some reason. Oh no, it should be good now. Give me a second. I'll send it over. Yeah, so waiting for a 4 hour support on gold, unless it wants to keep retracing, but there's no news today. So I'm looking for a support to possibly retest the highs. It's been a nice pullback, but that was quite a push during Asian session. 310 pips, and then a pullback. So we're currently at a support level here, 2900, nice flat number, and a 4 hour support too. So yeah, we'll see what happens with gold, but what I would like to see is possibly a closure below here. Closure below, so 15-minute support. Don't usually use it, but this is an area that's been tapped a few times. So it is a support right here. An important one, obviously. Prices come down and pushed off a couple times. So if I get that closure below, I'm looking at sells down to retest this broken resistance from yesterday or Friday even. And that'll be my gold sells. If not, the thing is, I like the buys, but there's a lot of resistance on the way down. Don't have a top wick. Don't have a top wick for this candle here. So I think price comes back up. Alright, where's 1 second, Caswell. Get this thing crack-a-lacking. Let me do GJ first and then I'll sort out the Zoom. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Let's make some money today. GJ is bullish currently. So it's retested this support. It's kind of a support, even though it gapped down. But I do have a support down here. And it's pushing up. So we could get a wick fill, or it could be doing the same thing it done yesterday and Friday. Make a high and then pull back. And then continue bearish. So this is the support that we've tapped into, 4 hour. We do have a resistance at 188. So I'm kind of looking for pound yen to make another resistance on the next 4 hour candle and make a lower high to pull down if it can't come up here and retest. So the 30-minute just broke out. Well, it didn't just break out, but it's been pushing up. But like I said, I'm bearish. So I'm looking for that 4 hour to create a lower high. Obviously, it won't be for another hour and a half. But yeah, that's what I'm looking out for. That's where the 4 hour resistance is right here. My markup from earlier. We broke above this resistance. We're pushing up. Got clean candles all the way up. So either retest or we form a resistance and start pulling back from here. Alright, let's send this meeting out. Oh good, the news bot is working again. Having some issues with that. How was everyone's London session? Catch any moves? Anyone catch these pound yen buys? Anyone catch these gold sells?
Hello?
Yo, yo, yo.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you, I hear you. I hear you. Yeah, GJ looks the cleanest at the moment. Hey Rosie, what's up? What's up? You had no trades in London. I mean, I like this. I saw it pushing up here this morning, or a bit earlier. And I thought might get the closure above at 10:30, but it didn't. And it just pushed up. You know, I don't like taking trades at this time, so I thought let me leave it. Plus, I still have a bearish bias. So I'm still looking for sells on pound yen. So maybe a little something like get a resistance, support, a lower high, and then sells back down. And then the sells obviously would either be right here, so kind of like what happened on Friday, yesterday. Yeah. But it looks like volume for the buyers is slowing down. So just need a resistance. Now I wouldn't take a trade as soon as price forms a resistance, unless the candle decides to close all the way back into this range. If one candle came all the way down and closed below, then I'd get in on the next one. Otherwise, I'd have to wait for a change in structure. So a low, then a lower high, and then sells. So gold, I still can't believe this push up, honestly. $350 pips. Mad push up. And we've got this gap. So the gap's been filled. And we're around this 4-hour support right now. So still an hour and 20. So this candle closes. So yeah, if gold pushes up, I'm going to get rid of that now because it's just sort of in the way. What is the target of GBPJPY? Okay, so for sells, first target would be back at this 4-hour support, so 187.4. Who's got $1,000 loss running? On what? What pair? What direction? On GJ. And then the second target would be 185.9. But yeah, I think pound yen sells today. If I get the right price action, I'm looking for sales. Looking for a closure below here and pounds on gold. Sell from 187.71. From here, down here. What was your reason for getting in? I mean, $1,000 is not bad for a loss as long as if the capital's right, if the account size is okay. Yeah, I want a nice resistance and then sells back down. Look at this 4-hour on pound yen. It's a strong candle, strong push up. But yeah, next candle. If the next candle doesn't push up and retest this resistance, I think it drops. We've been having late sells on GJ recently. So I think that's what we get today. The farmer trader, yeah, where is your stop loss? Do you have a stop loss in? I mean, if you're holding 60 pip in drawdown, I'm assuming you've got a big stop loss. If you have one, I hope you do.
I think DJ is coming there.
The resistance to come get these sells.
Yeah.
Oh yes, it's been like the same thing every day. Perfect. Do you know what? Gold. Yeah, it's this support here. I need it to close below. But the 1 hour looks very nice in gold. To actually keep dropping.
It wouldn't be such a bad idea, like if GJ closes up bearish, and going for sales?
I wouldn't take sales straight away, to be honest. So I don't know if you saw it, but I actually wanted to see a resistance. You know, like the other day, then a support and then a lower high to come down. Because this one candle doesn't mean it's reversing, but a change of structure would mean that it's reversing. That downtrend structure. So I need to see it just like what's even something like this. A resistance, maybe a support, then another resistance that closes below, I'll get in on the next candle. So I think it'll be a couple candles before I get in. Unless, so the only other way I take sales right away is if this big candle comes all the way down and then the next candle starts breaking below this resistance, then I'll look for sales. Because then it's like a fake out. So it's definitely going to be a waiting game. Pound yen. I really want buys on gold, but I think I'm going to have to use the 1 hour time frame. It looks cleaner.
But buys on gold, how come you think sales there?
Gold is so bullish. Gold is so bullish. If it closes below here, then I'm looking for sales, 100%. But if this area holds up here, if it holds at this 4 hour support, then and it flips, it's going back up. It's going back up. And this is like Asian. This all happened before Asian even closed. Push up, push back down. So I think NY could retrace it and go back up. But it all depends on the candles. All depends. Oh, I haven't moved my daily candle. Daily is up here. Look at GJ. Doesn't look like it even wants to come down yet. So GJ's bearish, but it could push up more. Yep.
For some reason, I like gold sounds better. For some reason, I like gold sounds better.
I mean, it's for a good reason. It's been pushing down. I can see both. Even if it does sell, I mean, I think at some point it's coming back up. In the 4 hour. It's a nice pullback though. It's needed. We need some structure on gold. It's just been up. We need some clean candles. If we get a closure below in the next 10 minutes, I'll definitely be looking at some sells. Oh my God. Jesus. Can I get a small stop loss these days on gold? No, it's like minimum 40 pips. Yeah, the stop loss is going to be massive now. Oh, 52 pips.
All gold I've never had a stop loss was 80 pips.
Yeah, man, those were the good old days. Back in the day, you could get a 10 to 15 pip stop loss on gold on a 30-minute candle. Doesn't happen now. 1 hour looks amazing. If I didn't have this 1 hour looks good. Minor 30-minute support here. Maybe you can use a closure below that. Push down, retest. I think that looks better. Yeah, there was no closure below really. 30-minute support there, that didn't close below. GJ's pushing. Yeah, gold is gone. Still got 8 minutes left. So maybe gold will push down, retest. And then we can get some sells back down to this broken resistance. Pretty clean range. Where's the previous daily low? It's a long way down. Nah, gold is gone. $100 pips, well, still going. 111 pips. If this range, so we've got 46 pips to the support, 79 pips down to the target. It's gonna be late trades today, I think. Alright, so waiting for this candle to close. Pound yen still breaking the highs. Now what happens if it breaks above this 4-hour resistance? Then I'm looking at the next one. Looking at the next one.
Yeah, gold is gone.
It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Gone.
Yeah, it's gone.
Look at it just drop. Wow. It's gonna hit TP, mate, in a second. That nice range. But you know what I like about it is now I've got a clean range to buy back up through. So if I get a support, if it comes and retests this resistance, then I get a strong support. I get rid of this and then I buy all the way back up. Yeah, because I think this daily leaves a bottom wick. So yeah, as long as we stay above this resistance, I think gold will give a little bounce. We said gold is bullish for now. The sells are just pullbacks. Yeah, facts. Facts. Can't just go straight up. So 30-minute candle's about to close. GJ is still just pushing. It's 100 pips since 8 o'clock. 120 pips. Look at this support. The way this 4-hour support held. I was thinking about the sells. I said, nah. If I didn't see this 4-hour support this morning, I would have got smacked. Because I would have taken, that was the closure below. And I would have got 20 pips. And then the runner hit stop loss, but I wasn't feeling it. Wasn't feeling this, buying into this, or selling into this support. Alright, new candle. Gold, you're going to keep dropping and form a support, come back up at some point.
You know what? Now I'm thinking I should have entered on the 15 minutes because the 15 minutes trades will be worked out.
You should have entered gold on the 15.
I'm thinking of it because nowadays every time on like on this trade we saw gold, the 15 minutes like broken, they always broke the resistance and the support. That similar to this one here.
Yeah.
But it's not something that you can like, you know.
I mean, it's up to you. It's up to you. It's up to you. I mean, you've still got room all the way down to this resistance. Yeah. And then you've got, even if it pushes past this, you still got this support all the way down here. So you got room. But yeah, for me, I'm going to chill. Because the stop loss.
Not this one, like the previous support that got broken.
Oh, up here?
Yeah. Yeah,
there wasn't.
And then check the 15 on that area. Wipe it up.
So I had up here.
Yeah, there. Once it broke in the low of the 50, that could have been like a.
Yeah, true. Yeah, I guess these wicks did respect it. Yeah, right? Yeah. Because me, I had the support on this one where the wicks tapped into, but I guess this one would have been okay as well. It's kind of 4 taps, 4, 5. It's okay. I'm okay to let this one go. I'm okay. I think I still have a more of a bullish bias on gold. But it might not even buy back up. If it does, I need to be there. Yeah, the buyers definitely would have been somewhere earlier up here. The thing is, I just don't use 15 minutes really for support like that for key levels.
Yeah, I feel you.
So I would never have. Like, I kind of considered this one only because of yesterday. Like the way it kept tapping into it, but it's not really my thing. I need that 30 minute. But then if you ignore that to the left and then you use this support, you could have said, oh yeah, that's the closure below. If this is all you had, just say closure below, there we go, sells, bam. That would have been nice. How big would that stop loss have been? God, 60 pips on the previous candle. 36 pips on the entry candle. Yeah, this would have been the better setup. Yeah. 12 o'clock closure below. Boom. I have to put that in my journal. And normally I do use current levels. Just missed that one today. I hope the guy that's in GJ sells is out of his trades. It's like 1,100 pips. And drawdown now. So yeah, I'm looking for a support formed on gold now. So yeah, bounce, push up. All the way back up. Now we've got this clean candle to the left to retrace. get some 4-hour structure. So if 4-hour forms of support, even better. So yeah, now we wait. These candles are massive, massive stop losses these days. GJ might just keep buying. Gold might just keep selling. Come on, gold, retest this resistance. Then have a little bounce. Now if it closes below that resistance is not valid, then the next support is down here. But I want to see if it retests first. So just playing it zone to zone. So got this 4-hour resistance and 30-minute resistance at the same place. Right, so gold needs to get to 83, maybe not. First I preferred pound yen if it created that resistance, but now I kind of prefer gold. See if it can create a support for me. So it's going to be a long wait for entries, even using the M15. Flipping out, I hope not. But, I mean, I guess so. Only because in order for me to see a support, either this candle needs to flip and push up in the next 16 minutes, or the next candle needs to form a support. So we've got at least 16 minutes for this candle to close, 30 minutes for the next candle to close, and then looking for a move. So yeah, it could be. Could be a little wait. Yeah, retest here would be good. Go get my water real quick. So 188 point, say 0.9-ish. So I finally got the news robot to work in the Discord. Oh look, my Discord says I'm streaming. Oh, look at that. Lit. I wonder if it has a link. Oh, it does. That's lit. Love it, love it, love it. Love it. Right, that new 15-minute candle. No, I wouldn't even take buys on the next 15 if this one formed a support. I still have to wait, but it'd be a good start. Because if the 15 formed that uptrend structure, or that, yeah, I guess uptrend structure, so it would be push up and pull back, and then a higher low would be the start. And obviously the next candle will be the support candle. Yeah, I wouldn't mind seeing that. So it's a massive sell-off for gold. Yeah, it is. It is. Yeah, that push was crazy. Alright, so gold slapped below that previous resistance.
Sounds below.
I'm looking at here now as a support. That's unless this holds. So I need to see how this candle closes. If this candle closes, if it closes above, this is, yeah. I wouldn't mind sells below, but this is a support right here, so I don't want to sell into another support. If there's enough range, 25 pips. Who's at my door? Postman. Oh, one sec. Got a package. Oh, don't know how people see Ring doorbells and still don't ring it. Okay, so this resistance might be holding. Still have 8 minutes though. This is a beautiful 15-minute candle. What's GJ doing? Okay, GJ nearly got to that 4-hour resistance. Yeah, if the next 30-minute on pound yen pushes up but closes below here and like pulls back, I think I'll be more inclined to take sales straight away, because it would have made like a top wick, a nice top wick for the 4-hour. Then the next 4-hour should respect that previous high and then push down. It's gonna be an interesting session. Alright, one sec. What was I gonna go get? Damn it. Oh, charger. Hello? She said it's in the agreement that it's a month's notice. Hold on. Does it say? Well, she said it's monthly. It's monthly rent, so that's what it should be. Yeah. That's true. Yeah. That's what I was thinking. If the girl just says, you know what, I'm leaving, and that's that, then there's nothing. She won't get nothing, really. Right. Yeah, but she's already taken that because they messed up her carpet. So she's going to have to get the carpet done. Yeah. Alright, cool. No, she's not. Alright, cool. Alright. Yeah. Alright then. Alright, bye. What's Benny saying? Yeah, Benny was saying buys on the next 15. Oh, so you might be in now then, really?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Because this is what I was looking for, a support to form here. Maybe not on the 15, but oh, look at that. Perfect. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. The stop loss is a bit too big for me though. The stop losses are just, oh my god. Yeah, 90 pips. Yeah, no thanks, Benny. Even with, yeah, nah. Yeah, I can't do it. I can't do it. 90 pip stop loss.
Yeah, the stop loss is insane, man.
Because I did like it. I did like it, but I didn't realize the stop loss was going to be that big.
Even if a small lot size is still like take on.
It's pretty much 100 pip stop loss. Look, even this 5-minute candle is just. Imagine looking at the 5-minute for stop losses. That's how big these candles are. It's crazy.
Like if you lose this trade, it's like 5.
That's it. It's the week. The week wiped out. Nah.
Crazy, man.
Yeah, it's too much volume in gold. But pound yen. Now, if pound yen forms a resistance around here, I like it. Pound yen forms a little resistance. Didn't quite tap into that 4-hour, but that's good. Then the next candle forms a
And I
lower
think
high.
at the moment you can put the stop loss on the but still, it's a stretch
On what?
on gold. Like put your stop loss on the previous low of the 18 minutes, hoping it doesn't go down. If it does go down, that means you're out of the trade completely.
You mean the entry candle? You mean using this candle here?
Yeah.
You could. You could. I don't mind using entry candle. A lot of the time, I'll start using the previous candle and then reduce it. But for me, just the way gold swings, like it will push up and it will drop back down. So I think it could potentially break its own low, make a lower bottom wick. I don't really trust it.
Pattern on GJ? Continuation pattern.
Oh yeah, but it's in buying into this resistance.
Yeah, but it's too small though.
No, for me, it's the same thing that happened this morning, where it selling right into this support here, and then obviously it broke, but then it pushed back up. So yeah, I don't want to take a buy right into the level. Gold.
What's the TP being in gold?
What's the TP? TP on gold would be 29.40 all the way back up.
I mean, like if the stop loss is 90 pips, how much are you expecting to take?
Oh, at least back up. Well, ignoring this to the left, it would be at least back up to here. Right, this broken support or this resistance. So now I'm thinking it's going to retrace this whole drop. This is what I wanted to see. I just didn't want the stop loss to be this big. Like, if it wasn't a 90 pip stop loss, I would have been in this all day. This is perfect. Sells, bullish bias, retested a broken resistance. Like, this is beautiful. Would have been what, 40 pips up already? Ugh. But yeah, the stop loss is too big. The stop loss is too big. Yeah, the stop loss is too big, man. It's a shame. But maybe next time maybe just take entry candle stop loss. This is something I definitely have to journal. Let's put that in my journal now. Missed trade. Use entry candle lows. Man. 60 pips. Benny said he caught it. You fucking would.
DJ, man, I'm sure once it flips up.
Yeah, it's pushing. Do you know what? It's not that far from the next resistance, but this price action to the left is just not very clean. So we've got the first resistance is there where the yellow line is, and the next one is there, and then the one after that. There's just no, the ranges are very small. The ranges are too small. Yeah, Benny took the M15 low. That's good. I'll go for the more cautious approach. That would have been nice though. So that's like 91 all the way up. Yeah, I do think gold is going to retrace this drop. a lot of it. Nice rejection on the 4 hour, then the next 4 hour forms a support, breaks the previous 4 hour high, and then keeps pushing up. The 1 hour looks oof. Do you know what might take buys on the 1 hour candle using the entry candle low?
I think I'll take buys.
So when this candle closes,
It's 30, right?
yes, yeah.
Yeah, it makes it.
And then use the entry candle lows. I'm just saying it looks cleaner on the 1 hour. It looks cleaner on the 1 hour.
So that resistance, right?
Yep.
Yeah, hopefully that is
To the resistance, even above. I want it all the way back up. I want it all the way back up.
What about using the 15?
The 15, all these stop losses are massive now. This was a 60 pip push. So that pushed 60 pips. The previous low is 85. It's entry candle lows only right now. There's no previous candles. These candles are massive.
Usually doesn't want to give us a bit of structure, not fake whatsoever. But it's approaching the 1 hour resistance.
For what?
GJ.
Oh,
We just need a bear scan. Then I'm taking all the way down with us.
yeah, I would like to see price close below this 4 hour resistance. I don't mind it wicking up. It's okay if it wicks up and then drops. It's all about the next 4 hour candle, really. Because I've seen this before, so it could break the first 4 hour support and respect the next one. So where did that happen? It happened quite recently. It broke the 4 hour resistance, but then it still came back down. Like structure wise, I remember it a bit better than that. There. Yeah, I don't even see it. I don't see the one that I'm thinking of. Might have been here when it gapped. Broke the previous resistance and then created a new resistance and then just dropped. But yeah, I don't know, one hour levels I don't really use. Just prefer the 30-minute. Get out of the way. Yeah, see, man, gold is just pushing. Entry candle stop losses when they get too big. Yeah, facts. Shoot, I'm hoping to get the same again. I'm hoping to, take the next 30-minute up. That pullback. See, this is what scares me about getting into gold and using the entry candle lows, because it could push. How big was that push? 40 pips, and then it pulled back 40 pips. Just massive pullbacks. It's a massive pullback.
I don't know where we go today. I don't know.
So just don't force anything. I mean, like 40, if I just stick to the 1 hour, which I don't normally do, it looks a lot cleaner. You have a support here.
I still put the resistance ahead for going up. You think it's gonna break?
Break what resistance? This one?
Yeah.
Do I think it's gonna break this resistance? Yeah, I think if gold is gonna push, it's pushing all the way back up. I think it's retracing this whole move, to be honest. That's yeah. If it pushes up, it's if it's bullish, it's bullish. I was like, I didn't really think gold would hit 3,000 this week, but shit, it could hit 3,000 tomorrow. It's not actually that far away. The fact that it can push 300 pips overnight, $700 is not, too far away. I'll be back one sec. Just gotta take this phone call. Right, where we at? So gold is still hovering around here. GJ. Oh, there is a bottom wick on this candle. Yeah, I want GJ to close below this 4 hour resistance. Okay, GJ still pushing. Gold's dropping. Yeah, might not be no trades for me today, or just yet. Still 5 minutes to go. Right now, gold buys are off the table with this long wick. Still got 5 minutes, but stop loss is already 52 pips. And that would be because I want to take the break of this high. And then use the entry candle low as a stop. But if we've got this long wick, it's not only rejecting, but yes, it's not too big.
I really don't see gold buys.
It's alright. You don't have to see it. When you see it though, you'll see it. Alright, would you see more sells? Down to where?
I don't know.
So what do you see? You don't see buys, you don't see sells. What do you see?
The range is kind of too small for buys.
Oh, you just think range?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you see?
Listen, I'm not forcing anything on gold. If it doesn't set up for me exactly how I want it, then I'm not going to take anything. I'm cool with not getting smacked by gold.
Not like a strong bullish candle?
Yes. To be honest, this range that it created right here, it would have been, this would have been ideal. I would have been in and out already here. So now we've got the support, the buy here, the push back up. This would have just been me for the day, honestly. That, look, 77 pips. Done for the day. I would have ended the stream. Chop, gone.
So,
that would have been perfect. But it didn't work out that way. Yeah, because this overall is bullish, but it could just be creating structure. So it's not me. I want to see buys because I'm very bullish on gold. Obviously, it's created a nice range. We finally got, a nice range from the highs all the way down to where we're at, 500 pips, right? So I could see buys going back up. Only thing is, there's a lot of resistances to the left. Now gold could sell. I don't mind the sells, but it created a nice range here for me.
yeah.
And that's,
So stop 3 guys 15 or 30 minutes?
it'll be entry candle low again. It'll be entry candle low. These stop losses are they're just too big. Even on the 15, look, it's still 67 pips. They're massive. Look at every time frame. Oh my god, look, even the 5 minute is still like 40 pips. So I think entry candle low would have been perfect, because if we're taking this trade, look, 30 pip stop loss. Where is So the 4 hours about to close. So like later, if I'm looking for trades, I probably want to see where's the 4 hour here. So 2907. Yeah. Now I'm thinking if we get buys up and it breaks these wicks right here, this is the 4 hour high over here. So if we break the previous 4 hour high, I see gold pushing all the way back up. Remember, we still don't have a top wick for this candle right here. So that's coming. Most likely today as well. Is that 9:30? Yeah. I think gold retraces some. Alternatively, for sells, we could get a retest of this broken support from today. Could get a retest of this right here. And then it could continue back down. Look at GJ, close below the resistance. Perfect.
Are you going in on gold?
I kind of want to see a longer bottom wick just to be on the safe side. I want to see a longer bottom wick. Yeah, this bottom wick is a bit... I mean, 20 pips is not bad for a stop loss, but yeah, this is a 4 hour candle as well starting. So I want to see a longer bottom wick. And then, yeah, I'll probably get in.
Alright,
it's creating one. Right now, if this 30-minute respects this high and then closes bearish, I'm getting into sells on the next candle. So yeah, I'm looking to take probably the break of this high. See if it pushes up to at least that broken support. Shouldn't get my phone ready. Oh no! No! Oh shit. Gold, stop. I missed the entry. Missed the entry. If it drops back a little bit, I need it to drop back. So 98.40.
yeah, I caught it.
Oh, son of a bitch. Terrible entry. It's like 1-to-1 at least. Let's see. If it comes back to the candle open, I'm closing half. Yep. This 4 hour needs to make a longer bottom wick. Shit. I'm just about in. I'm just... Oh my god.
It respected the previous week.
Oh my gosh.
Insane.
I didn't have time to make it exact as my broker. Crazy, crazy work, crazy work.
I have to shoot up now. I have to shoot up.
Hopefully. Keeps on breaking the high, just push. I've only got half a position running. Like I kind of only half trust it. I closed half very quickly.
I still have like full position value, so we'll see. Let's go.
That's it. Keep pushing. I might just close the full position once it gets to this support. And then look for more entries later. Only running half. Was that 20 pips just now? It was about 20.
To be fair, I'm never gonna take 20 pips on gold. They take keys.
Especially if you got a big stop loss.
Bro, I expect like at least 1-1.
Yes, yeah, 100%. Yeah, I want it to run. I want to close at least that support I want it to get to. At least retest that support. Yeah, that's 20 again. Go on. There we go. Good, Goldie. Exactly. Talk to her nicely. What about the wick fill on the 4 hour since it closed below support? It did close below support, but look how long this wick is. This is a very long bottom wick. So to me, this is a rejection wick. So I don't know if you caught earlier, I want this 4 hour candle to form a support and potentially break above the previous 4 hour high. And then we start getting buys back up. So it's not a fake out, but I mean, I think this is as far down as gold wants to go. That's just me. It's my opinion. Maybe not, but I want the buys on golds because it's bullish. So it's just a little pullback. Oh, I got close to my TP. But it could, it could, alternatively for sells, if it does hold at this support, it's just a retest and then we get a resistance to come back down. That's also a possibility. But I hear what you're saying about the 4 hour and the structure. It's just I'm thinking higher time frame, overall bias, and then the formation of that candle. Yeah, that bottom wick, more of a rejection for me. Man, where did that get to? Did that get to 40 pips? 37. I missed it. I missed it.
And I hate the fact that 15 minutes might make a strong bottom wake for it to continue going up.
Yeah, it could do. But I mean, look, these bottom wicks haven't been... Okay, this one's long. Yeah, it could do. That was a nice push up. I literally missed it because I was looking at a different time frame. But I would have closed some at 30 pips. Definitely would have closed it. I saw it hit 02 and I was like, yeah. Oh. God, don't do this. Be nice. God, Benny's runner's still running. Fucking hell. You got him, what, down here somewhere? So, shit, 80 pips. Got to 110. Go on, go, push back up. Dum, 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 dum. closed. Nice, nice, nice. I still think gold goes up. I mean, obviously broken a 1 hour high. We broke this 30-minute high here as well. Got a new 15-minute candle opening. Who the hell's calling from Leicester? Hello? What the hell? Who the hell's Anand? Come on, new 15. Fill the wick. Push, Goldie, push. This is Asian lows right here. Tapped around, dropped. $18 pips. GJ's pushing. Okay, GJ's tapping into this next resistance. Oh, this trade is struggling. Come on, Goldie, you're not done yet. You're not done pushing back up. Not yet. You're not done yet. This is the slowest drive up. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's really surprising.
It's just slowed down, right down. We got
Really surprising.
NYSE open. 10 minutes. Shit, man, I need to get off. I got shit to do. Oh. Turn this heating on. It's cold. Big old sweat. GJ cells are off the table right now. Alright, it's 15 making a longer bottom wick.
I'm closing it.
Yeah, it looks like it's about to drop.
Yeah.
Respecting that previous 15 high. I think if it gets back to this, to the 30-minute candle open, then I'll close full. I'll close the rest. But yeah. I'll move my stop loss to here. Do that on my broker. Yeah, if it goes there, then I've only lost, what, 16 pips? 18. I think it's less than that. Alright, Rosie. Well, Rosie caught the W. Shit. You closed.
Nice.
Yeah, no, man. She closed at the right time. Yeah, I wish I overlooked some in. Overlooked some in after it pushed up, like close to here, definitely. But it got there and then it dropped. And because I was thinking this could be a retest, could be a 30-minute retest, this broken support, and then come back down. It's a little break and retest. Happens a lot with gold. Happens with everything. Break and retest. Well, let's see what happens the next 5 minutes.
It is fine.
Well, yeah, this 15-minute, the fact that it's respecting this previous 15-minute high. Didn't feel the wick.
Yeah, we should have entered earlier.
Oh man, look down here. I'm kicking myself now. Kicking myself because it done exactly what I wanted it to do. Form a support, retest this resistance, and then go back up. This is like, it's a perfect trade. I think I even did an example of this kind of trade in my I made a video, and I didn't even take it, but yeah, because I was using a previous stop. See, it's a massive stop, but then this, it's a big rejection candle. It's a big rejection candle, so yeah, just should have used entry candle lows, 30 pips. Still holding on to this trade. I'm still in my little half position until I get smacked out. Now I'm like barely in this trade.
PJ shows it's only a 4-hour support, so it's nothing you can do really.
Yeah, I don't see anything here yet. Yeah, GJ doesn't look nice for anything. I think it'd be a late trade if I get something on pound yen, but I might miss it anyway. I need to go to the store. I was trying to go at 2 o'clock before all these school kids come out. Can't stand these school kids on the streets. They're the worst. I'm gonna bump into them now. Alright, go push. There we go. Get back to O2. Go. It's not far. Come on, stay above 2900. Why not?
You might get this one, eh?
I hope so. Shoot. Came close to where I wanted to get out and missed it. Let's need the next candle just to open and just push up very quickly. Just boom, straight up. No bottom wick. I can close. I have my finger over the button. I'm ready. Go and push. Hey, go D.
Nice one.
This is what I needed gold to do. Right, I'm out. I'm done. That trade was stress. Yeah,
I think it might flip now.
Nah, man. All the way up. 29.40, 400 pips. Let's go. Back to the top. Nah, it could flip though. It could.
Yeah.
It's gonna keep pushing. I can't even look no more. If it does flip, then it's created a lower high to then come back down. And if it creates a resistance, then again, it just created a bigger range. Right, if it creates a resistance here, then we've got like a new range, 100 and what, 11, nearly 112 pips if it does flip. But like I said, gold is bullish. The 4 hour, once this 4 hour breaks its previous high, it's going back up.
Alright, we came out, alright?
Yeah, man, me too, guys. Well done if you caught that. Hopefully you weren't stressing as much as I was during that trade, but look at it run now, man. Son of a... Let me keep it PG. Look at this thing. Alright, man, tomorrow we're back, same time.
Sure.
Tomorrow we back.